Want to learn artificial intelligence but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. A lot of people think AI is only for programmers or tech experts, but the truth is, anyone can start learning AI today. The first step is understanding the basics. Learn what artificial intelligence is, how machine learning works, and why AI is becoming such a big part of everyday life. From social media apps to online shopping and content creation, AI is everywhere. Next, start exploring beginner-friendly AI tools. Try AI chatbots, image generators, writing assistants, or automation apps. The best way to learn AI is by actually using it and experimenting with different tools. You also don't need to learn everything in one day. Start small and stay consistent. Even 20 to 30 minutes of practice daily can help you build valuable skills over time. Another great way to improve is by building simple projects. Create AI images, write content with AI, automate small tasks, or test creative ideas. Every project helps you learn faster and gain confidence. AI is already changing jobs, businesses, marketing, and the future of technology. The people learning AI today are preparing for tomorrow's opportunities. So don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Learn step by step, stay curious, and keep improving every day. Your AI journey starts now. ToolModo.com.